Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to schedule an email in Gmail account. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to send email later and we are going to set time. Now you see compose, so click on it and then you see new message. So you can add email, also you can add subject and you can add some content for your message. So we added some information and then you see send button, also you see more send option, so click on it and then you see schedule send, so click on it. Now you see pop up and then you see time, so you can select time according to requirement and then you see pick date and time. Now click on it, so you can select time according to requirement, so you can select date and you can set time and then you see button schedule send, so click on it. Now you see send schedule for Wednesday and time and then on left side you see schedule, so click on it and then you see this is our email and we set time for this email to send. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.